Good morning. Welcome to the best YouTube channel in the world. We are on FSA homework number 11. We are going to be writing the times of these clocks and then seeing which one is later. We'll just circle the one that is the later time. Okay, so right here we see the little hand is going to be taking the hours, and the larger hand, the longer hand, is going to be taking the minutes. We don't see the minutes. I mean, we see the little lines, but it doesn't have the numbers for the minutes. Remember, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So every large number will be a small minute. Every large number is an hour, but for minutes, like let's say like this one, the longer hand, since it's counting minutes, we don't say 3, because that was only for this hand. For this one, we count every single minute, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we know every large number counts as 5. So 5, 10, 15. So 15 goes in the minute side. And then here, you see it's not, the hour hand's not pointing directly at 2 or directly at 1. It's in the middle of those two. Well, that's when you have to look at this minute hand. If it's not straight at 12, then you need to go with the one that's before, because it's not all, the whole hour is not up yet. So if it's not all the way over here, and this is at, and the longer hand's all the way pointing straight up, then we have to go with 1. So it's 1:15. Doesn't say AM or PM, so I'm just going to say 1:15. Alright, and this one, same thing. It's 1 for the smaller hand, and this one's pointing at 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, so this one is later than this one, 15 minutes later. Alright, here we go 12, because it's between 12 and 1, and the minute hand's not pointing straight up. So this is 12, and we already know what this one is because we did the same thing over here, 12:30. This one, again, it's 12 again. It's in between the 12 and the 1, so we go with this one. And then this will be 30, 35, 40, 45. 12:45. You can count like this, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, whatever's going to help you the most, and then you go all the way to 45. Alright, here we're writing it out. 8:45. This is 9 o'clock. This one, a little bit tricky because it wants you to write it minutes before. So this is how many minutes before something. Well, I know it's if I do 15 more minutes, it'll be 10 o'clock. So it's going to be 15 minutes before 10 o'clock. And this is after. So how many minutes after? This is 30 minutes after 9 o'clock. Alright, so 8:45, 9 o'clock is later. 9:45 is later. If we go up here, which one's later? 12:45 is later. Alright, the time that answers the question. So ring the time that answers the question. So ring just means circle. So ring the time that answers the question. What time is 15 minutes after 3 o'clock? Is it 3:15 or 3:30? Well, 15 minutes is added to 0 is 3:15, so it's that one. What time is 15 minutes after 8:45? Well, if we add 15 minutes to 8:45, we get, well, let's count by 5s. 8:45, 8:50, 8:55, and 9 o'clock. That's 15. So it would be 9 o'clock. What time is 30 minutes after 6:15? So if I count 6 5s and add that to 15, I'll get it. So it's 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So 6:45. And number 15, what is 30 minutes after 11:30? Well, I know 30 plus 30 would be an hour. So the next hour would be 12 o'clock. All right. You guys have a great weekend. Let me know if you guys need anything at all. Love you guys.